Hey guys, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com and it's Tuesday the 9th of October 2018. This is just a quick tutorial video. On Facebook this morning I got this question from one of the members. Jim, how to create a screen like this on MT4? It's basically my profile. I've had this question a few times through emails and that, so I'll just quickly run through it. It's pretty simple. Alright, I'll just go to an MT4 platform. This is my demo account. Alright, so this is a profile I'm looking at. I know it doesn't look like a chart or anything, but if you go up here to File, you go to Profiles, and the drop down menu will show you all the different profiles. So this one's called Account Info. You'll see it's got the tick next to it. That's the one that's open. So I want to go to Daily High Probability, just click on that. And that brings up all my daily charts. I think there's not many of them, as usual, not responding when I'm doing a video. So right, so that's all the charts I've got now. Just open by itself. So basically, here we go. Now to get it, all these charts is you just click on the middle square one, open it up, just click on that. You can just drag it around like all these charts. If you move your cursor over them, you can just see how, like that, you can move it. So it's just a matter of playing with it. Make it bigger, make it smaller. So you set up all the charts you want on whatever platform, and you just do that. That's all it is. Just a matter of moving, dragging stuff around. And these are all my daily charts. And when I put a trade on, all I do is open them up like that, so you know that the trade's open. And just a matter of putting your cursor over, just dragging around. You can save it. Like if I go to another profile, for example, default, I don't think there's any charts there at all. It'll be empty. Alright, so this profile's got nothing on here. The good thing about profiles is, like you see in my videos, you can put different methods on different profiles or different time frames, etc. Alright, so we'll open a new chart, file, new chart. This is just the way I do it, it's probably the wrong way. So here's a new chart, alright, so you can make it bigger, make it smaller, add your template, any template you want. So I'll go to my Jim Band start one. I'll go to my high probability 1 hour into daily. So there's the chart, it's the 1 hour chart. I want to make it smaller, just a matter of put my cursor on the bottom and dragging it up, dragging it across. I could say this is my 1 hour high probability pound file. I can profile, save as, call it Jim GPP 1 hour. Okay, right, then I can go back to say profiles. See, it's on the list. Go to my account info. So there's back to that. Go back to profiles, Jim GP 1 hour. There it is there. Open it up a bit. I just want to move it around, have a look, quick look. Or I just open it like that. Pretty simple. Just play around with it. You can't, if you're on a demo account, you can't do any damage. If you're on a live account, you can't really do any damage either, as long as you don't do any trades. So that's it, guys. Pretty straightforward. If you still have questions or you want to know little tips and tricks on the MT4, I'm by no means am I a genius on it, but I do know a little bit about it. And if not, Google or YouTube would be your friend. All right, thanks for that. Cheers.